Imagine waking up from an accident only to find that your life has been changed forever. Catastrophic injuries can result in long term disability, pain, and financial stress. These are injuries that go beyond typically accident, leaving victim with permanent effect that affect every aspect of their lives. In this video, we will deep dive into catastrophic injuries, what they are, how they differ from other injuries, and what legal option you have if you are a loved one suffered from ones. In this video, we will explore what defines a catastrophic injuries and how it differs from other injuries, the common cause of catastrophic injuries from car accident or to workplace injuries, the medical, emotional and financial impact of catastrophic injuries, your legal rights if you have suffered a catastrophic injuries, how to pursue compensation and navigate the claim process, the role of long-term care and rehabilitation in catastrophic injury recovery. By the end of this video, we will have a clear understanding of catastrophic injuries and the step to take if you or a loved one is affected. Let's start by defining catastrophic injuries. These are injuries that result in permanent damage to the body, often leading to lifelong disability. Unlike more common injuries that may heal with time, catastrophic injuries leave lasting effects that require extensive medical care, rehabilitation, and support. Some of the key characters of catastrophic injury include permanent disability, long-term medical treatment, loss of quality of life. Some common examples of catastrophic injuries include traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, amputations, and several burns. These injuries often impact not just an individual but their entire family. Catastrophic injuries can occur in a variety of settings. Let's explore some of the most common causes. First is car and motorcycle accident. Motor vehicle accident are one of the leading cause of catastrophic injury. High speed collision, head on crash or accident involving large vehicle like truck can result in traumatic brain injuries, a spinal cord damage and several fractures. Second is workplace accidents. Certain industries such as construction, manufacturing and mining are more prone to accident that can cause catastrophic injuries. Third is medical malpractice. In some cases, catastrophic injury can result from medical malpractice. This could be due to surgical errors. Fourth is slip and fall accident. A fall, particularly for older individuals or in certain environments, can lead to catastrophic injuries. Fifth is a sport injuries. While not always common, high contact sports like football, hockey, and rugby can cause catastrophic injuries. Sixth is assault and violence. Assault or violence crime can also lead to catastrophic injuries, especially when there is blunt force trauma, gunshot wounds, or stabbings that result in several damage. Now let's dive deeper into impact that catastrophic injury have on victim and their families. First is medical impact. Catastrophic injuries often require immediate emergency care, followed by long-term medical treatments, surgeries, and rehabilitation. For instance, traumatic brain injuries may require conjugative therapy, and a spinal cord injury often need extensive physical therapy and possible lifelong care. And second is emotional impact. The emotional toll of a catastrophic injury is profound. Victims often experience anxiety, depression, and frustration due to the drastic change in their lifestyle. The inability to participate in previously enjoyed activity or work can be devastating for other, the victim and their family. Third is financial impact. The financial burden of a catastrophic injury can be overwhelming. In addition, the victim may lose the ability to work, leading to a loss of income, which place further a strain on the families. It is important to note that compensation for catastrophic injury often requires significant legal action to recover damage for those ongoing expenses. If you or a loved one has suffered a catastrophic injury, you may be entitled to compensation to cover medical expenses, lost wage, pain and suffering, and more. First is personal injury lawsuit. If your injury was caused by someone else's negligence, such as in a car accident or slip and fall, you may be able to file a personal injury lawsuit. A skilled attorney can help you gather evidence, prove negligence, and negotiate for a fair settlement. Second is worker compensation. If the injury occurred at work, you might be eligible for worker compensation benefits. This can help cover medical costs and a portion of your lost wage, but it may not fully compensate you for your suffering or further expenses. Third is insurance claim. Depending on the circumstances of the injuries, there may be insurance policy that provide coverage. For example, car accident injuries may be covered by auto insurance while medical malpractice may be covered by the hospital liability insurance. Fourth is social security disability. If the injury result in a long-term disability, you may be eligible for social security disability insurance to help provide financial support. Fifth is wrongful death claim. In the unfortunate event that is catastrophic injury lead to the death of a loved one, the family may be able to file a wrongful death lawsuit to seek compensation for funerals expenses, losses of compensationship, and more. Now let's discuss the step you can take to pursue compensation. First is seek legal counsels. The first step is pursuing compensation is to consult with a personal injury attorney who specializes in catastrophic injuries. Second is documenting everything. Keep detailed record for all medical treatment expenses and any other cost associated with the injuries. Third is gather evidence. If your injury was caused by negligence, evidence such as accident report, witness testimonies, and medical record will be crucial in providing liabilities. Fourth is negotiating a settlement. In many cases, you may be able to reach a settlement with the insurance company or the responsible party's lawyers. Fifth is filing a lawsuit. If a settlement cannot be reached, your attorney may recommend filing a lawsuit to seek compensation for your injuries. Catastrophic injury often require lifelong care and rehabilitation. Here is what you need to know about ongoing recovery. First is rehabilitation. Rehabilitation play a key role in recovery, especially for injuries like traumatic brain injuries and spinal cord injuries. Second is home modification. Victim of catastrophic injury may need modification to their home, such as a wheelchair ramps, accessible bathroom, or a special equipment to help with mobility. And third is caregiver and support. Many individuals with catastrophic injury require assistance with daily activity. In conclusion, catastrophic injury are life alerting events that require extensive medical care, emotional support, and financial resources. If this video helpful you, please like, share, and subscribe for more legal insights. If you are facing a catastrophic injuries, consult with a personal injury attorney to explore your options for compensation and recovery. Thanks for watching, and remember that while catastrophic injury may change your life, You don't have to face the challenges alone. There is support and legal resource available to help you move forward.